Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can attach location to your friends and send it to him in Zangi Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, you can click on any group or any friends message. And if you want to send the location, go ahead and click on the plus icon which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Right after that, you can see the location icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you can see if you have turned on your location from settings, your location will be shown over here. So go ahead and locate yourself. And if you want to send this location, just go ahead and click on send your location. And you can see that this is a live location tracker. If people find this, they will click it, they will go to maps, and your home location will be shown, and you can easily share location like this. So this function is really helpful. You can use it if you want to share the maps with your people, and it will be live, so they will be tracking as well. So click on the plus icon, click on location, and you can send the location. So if you want to send other location as well, you can do that. Just go ahead and pin the location, and you can click on send this location over here. So you can even view this map on the view of satellite hybrid, and you can use the map feature from here as well. So you can just go ahead and click on the location you want to send and click on send this location over here. So you can see that now the location has been changed and it has been sent to your friend. I hope this video about how you can attach location in Zangi Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.